So I would like to know what kind of Shane we're going to get this season, upcoming season. Is it going to be good Shane or is it going to be bad Shane?
I don't know. There's a little good Shane, a little bad Shane, all the time. Season 2 picks up where Season 1 left off, and it's the next morning, and Pablo and Shane have been canoodling all night, and although Pablo is celibate, Shane doesn't love that idea, and so we'll see how long that lasts. But it's very interesting, and there's a lot of tension between Shane and Liam because of all the secrets and the lying and the mistrust, and so there's a lot to hash out.
Well, talk about Shane's relationship with Amy in Season 2. What's that going to be like?
It's going to be much different than Season 1, because in Season 1 he was a confidant for Amy. He was giving her a lot of advice about how she should make her decisions, and in Season 2 Shane is sort of feeling like maybe he shouldn't be doling out advice, and maybe he doesn't have all the answers, and you will see some chinks in his armor and his confidence. It's going to be interesting.
Is Season 2 fun for you to play out so far?
Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. I love this season even more than Season 1. There's so much action and adventure, actually. You'd be surprised, and some singing and dancing and all kinds of stuff. Things you would never expect.
Are we going to see any Shane and Lauren scenes?
Definitely.
Can you tease anything?
As much as they hate each other, they also have a soft spot for each other. But they are a lot alike, and they do butt heads constantly. And I think it will be like an eternal frenemy situation between them.
I think Shane has a really, is like the one character that has a really great relationship and really interacts well with every single character. Why do you think that is?
I think Shane has an ability to be malleable. He's a chameleon, you know, he can sort of float in any situation, and you'll see that this season a lot, whereas where you throw him in any given, you know, situation and he's confident and he can figure it out and he's cool, and I think that's part of what makes it so unique. And yeah, lots of crazy stuff this season.
And Katie said you guys even have some scenes together. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, Season 1 there wasn't a lot of Karma-Shane interaction, and now Shane is feeling like he doesn't understand why everyone is obsessed with Karma, like why Amy loves her, why Liam loves her, and so he confronts her straight up and says, I don't get it, and it's a very interesting scene and very cool, and I think everyone's going to be really shocked.
And can you just talk about why Faking It seems to have struck a chord with MTV audiences?
Yeah, I don't really know. I feel like everyone really connects with the show because part of it is very innovative, and it's an audience that maybe hasn't had a voice totally, and for the first time they're not seen as the outsiders, they're the main storyline and they're the focal point, and so I think that people find it refreshing, and I feel really honored to be a part of it.
Great, thank you. Nice meeting you.
Great meeting you.